So what I really want to show you is the close-up of how this is going to go in. So you have a fatter side right there and a thinner side right there. And they're going to slide down in there. You see the fatter side, which is right there, and the thinner side right there. And get that to go back in there. This is the driver's side door. So it should just pop right in there. And then you're going to put your clip back on. So basically start sliding that clip back in. And you're going to slide it back in right through there and get it close up so you can see right through there. Same on the other side. Right through there. So those were the two grooves that you saw. And then just push it the rest of the way in. And now you're locked in place. Now you're ready to put this back in the door. So that's going to help you some. So you bring this back around where you see I've already put the hole right here is already cleared out. There's where the little green tab is, right down inside. And that just kind of opens and closes right around that longer rod right there. That longer rod right there. And then the other piece goes right back onto this to actuate your door.